When it comes to artificial intelligence, the one thing that I often wonder is if there were to be these folks that have determined or come up with some kind of a solving of the medical issues that persist in the world, would that information actually get out to be of use to everybody, or would the information be shielded and shrouded in secrecy so it never got out until they were able to build particular mechanisms to be able to properly monetize it and make the money from those kind of discoveries? I would hope that, we've always grown up with the rumor that, oh, they already have solutions to all of these medical issues, and because they already have them, they're not going to release them because pharmaceutical doctors, all the different companies involved in the medical world actually make more money by simply just basically keeping up with the disease, not letting it overrun the person instead of curing it altogether. And whether that's true or not, I can't imagine. Maybe I can, but it sure would be a horrible thing if that were found out to be true. But we found out a lot of things over time that actually equated to be true, i.e., the food pyramid, where that came from. Processed food, cigarettes. I guess back in the day, at least rumor is, I've heard that they subscribed cigarettes to people that never smoked before that had a lung extracted or were missing a lung to make the other lung stronger. I heard that growing up, don't know if it's true or not, but I offer that to you as kind of being a sign of that whole monetization thing being so overwhelmingly powerful to basically stop human beings, particular human beings, from actually releasing things to everybody so they could have everybody maybe cured or fixed or not dependent on a particular thing or group of things. I don't know if, in fact, somebody does discover the cure to all of these diseases, which artificial intelligence definitely is able to do, especially because it has every protein mapped out in the human body, everything known, and it did it in very short order, which if we would have been doing it the old-fashioned way, from what I understand, it would have taken billions of years. But it conquered that, I believe, us as a biological organism. The rest of it, all the disease and all of the other issues in us, could be solved very, maybe not easily, but could be solved by focusing a particular type of large language model or artificial intelligence on the problem at hand, looking at individual people, mapping out where the disease came from, best way to extract it. I think we could get a lot of cures to a lot of diseases that now require months or years of chemotherapy, very expensive treatments to be able to fix. I just don't know if we're actually going to be privy to those. We'll have to find out.